Hello, this is IMDL Spring 2014 with Doctors Arroyo and Schwartz. My name is Oliver Chang and my robot's name is Beethoven Bot. It is a music transcribing robot. The story is that as a child I played piano and most of the songs that I played were classical. Finding any modern pieces were hard to find because they were always late to come into sheet music, so I wanted to make something that worked towards listening to current music and transcribing it onto sheet. The audio analysis is currently on my laptop, where it will listen to a tone as shown and then move towards the correct note and play it. It currently only does one note at a time. Oops.
What's happening? Talk to us.
It's currently, what it currently does is it begins by calibrating, listening to the noise in the room, setting the threshold, waits for a noise that passes that volume, and then
What's happening?
okay, and then what it does is it currently waits for a noise to surpass the threshold that's set from the first instance, and then analyzes the noise analyzes the tone it hears. From there, it sends that serial note to the Arduino, and the Arduino will tell it where the robot will go to place the note. It's listening. It hears something beyond the threshold, and it will
So it's not running.
It'll play it back. So it heard the note E, which is around 600 hertz. It moves up from A, which is 2 steps up. It'll go back, rotate, place the note, go back to the center position, which is A. And then move forward so that the next note may be written.
Okay, can you do the whole thing one more time so I can see the process with the computer?
Yeah, I'll do it with a 500 hertz, 550, which is C. So it's listening for the noise. It waits for something above, waits for silence. If you hear the small tone, it's playing it back. Then it moves up to C, rotates back, marks the note.
Okay, can you pick it up so we can see what it did?
Yeah, unfortunately it doesn't look like
It'd be right
marked
either.
because the solenoid arm length is only a few centimeters, so it has to be levitating just above the
Is that something that can be adjusted easily?
I would have to get a bigger solenoid because the force in pushing it down is actually not very strong.
Just change the position of the solenoid
Right.
instead of the force.
It's got a range of like 2 millimeters, something
2
really
millimeters.
short. Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
small.
Oh, that's not 2 centimeters.
Okay,
Instead of
the Sharpie dried out.
Okay. Okay. Well, that's it. We have to move on.